Welcome. So we wait until the last. We're trying to get. Let's do this EURUSD up to 2 and we wait. I learned the hard way that you have to set. We're gonna stop when we make $522, or we're gonna stop when we make $110 would leave you at 532. That's when we're gonna stop, right? So we have purchase deadline. We wait until the last 5 seconds of the purchase deadline to make a trade. If the two indicators are under the indicated halfway points, we sell. If they're over the indicated halfway points, we buy. The trick is to just try and make small increments profits every day. So it's to not trade for the entire day, so just trade for an hour or two, make $100 and call it a day. At least today I learned that the hard way. I learned that you cannot continuously use the same thing on the market, it's adaptable. So yes, as I said, we're gonna stop at 532 or 530. So 2,530, right? Last 5 seconds of the purchase deadline, and we sell here for 2. We up to 4 and we wait. It's a patience game. Or we just stop at 522. That works too. And we could just stop at 500. We'll stop at 500. So we up to 4 and we wait, right? Just keep doing the same thing and know that do not use this method for more than an hour or for more than $100, because the markets will get tired of you and it will take all your money, as has been done to me. I'm still going to continue trading though. I'm still going to continue to show you how this method works. I'm still gonna show up every single day and make money every single day. I set a time goal yesterday on the real account and I started trading from 6 a.m. I told myself that I was gonna trade from 6 to around 12, stop trading at 12, and I made at least 150 to $60 profits. So technically I should have stopped, but it wasn't my time goal, and I thought the time was a non-negotiable, but apparently I was focusing on the wrong thing. So yesterday I lost $900 just off greed. Yeah, so right now I'm telling you to focus on this. Sorry, again. Focus on not the amount of time you're trading, but the amount of profits you make. Because $100 a day is better than losing $900. And yeah, it's not fair, it's not fun. But we live and we learn. And as I learn the hard way, I'm gonna tell you and I'm gonna show you what I learned. I'm not even supposed to be trading at this time, but what else is there? A fulfillment from any other thing. This is the only thing I actually enjoy doing. It's fun, I guess. I guess I know for a fact that it's fun. A fancy fact that it's fun. It's an amazing experience. And to give up on such an experience would be not very smart. So yeah, it's currently 7:55 p.m. Even though this is a practice, I'll wake up early tomorrow and then trade again. Make $100 and then half off. Yeah? Losing money isn't fun, man. Especially when I practice so much to not lose money. Just you know? This is bugging. Wi-Fi sucks. Guys, this is Infinite Trading Method, part 54. GG.